how to unblock and clear your chakras. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, this is the most highly requested video of any video I've ever done, of any subject that I've ever talked about. This is the one I get the most emails about. This is the one I get the most comments about. YouTube has limitations, man. So I'm gonna try to make this concise and understandable because I want you to fucking get it. This is so easy. It's so easy, but so overlooked by many self-development coaches, a lot of gurus. It's always the last thing. It's almost like people still want to hide it from the population or some shit. I don't understand that. I really don't. This is the truth, man. This is how real change happens in your life. Anything external. You change your diet, you get into fitness, you change your body. That's good stuff, man. You gain confidence, you feel better, you run clean, mental state is much clearer. Excellent. Fucking good stuff. But you have to get on a spiritual path. I don't care what path you take. I don't care what religion that you focus on. You do you, man. You do you. But in any sense of the word, God, religion, spirituality, this is what you must focus on this. You must focus on this. You have 7 chakras in your body. We all know this. 7 main energy cells. But you have 114 real chakras in your body. 112 are in the body. 2 of them are outside of the body. Now, these are energetic pathways, okay? But there are also 7 main energy cells. And I always talk about this, man. If this is new to you, go watch my channel. Go flip through and you will find many videos about your chakras, about the energy you have, about the law of attraction, the law of assumption, all that good shit, man. But this is super important. This is square one. To gain masculinity, to raise your consciousness so that you actually have a happy, fulfilling, positive life. That's what we strive for. We're not striving to get girls. We're not trying to get money. You cultivate the man by learning to step back and heal wounds. And now, I know that's a harsh word. A lot of people have inner childhood wounds that are super, super deep. I was one of them. To truly heal myself and just go beyond what was really controlling me, it takes work. It takes work. But I also realized that for the most of the population of men, you, who I'm talking to, probably aren't as scarred. You probably are just being run by media, TV, schools, teachers, churches, all that shit has poison dripped you and manipulated you into thinking alternate stuff. I'm not here to tell you the right path of thought for you. You know that. I'm here to tell you how to find that out. And that is by tapping in to yourself, like tapping in deep, going within. A lot of people don't do that, man. Let me put it this way. Have you ever closed your eyes and seen things? Of course you have. Of course you have. That is the inner self. Have you ever had a moment when you were doing something and something told you, don't do that? No, stop. This is bad. Stop doing this. Of course you have. That is your higher self telling you. It's there. You have always been there. This isn't some wicked epic journey you must go on and, I gotta smoke so much weed and eat a bunch of ayahuasca so I can find my true spiritual self. No, it's not like that. Get that out of your fucking head. It's right there, waiting for you at any moment. It's super easy. Just close your eyes. Sit with yourself for 30 minutes. And I guarantee you, things will bubble up. Things in your consciousness, in your being, will bubble up. And this is why the tool of meditation takes time to get good at. You must practice meditation so that you can use it as the tool that it is. The tool is used for this particular thing, going inner, going deep, going into the inner self, learning from our higher being, from ourself. We know what is right for us, for you. Just tap into that. Just take a moment and become aware. So like I always do, I will draw you a quick diagram. I love my whiteboard. Check it out, man. This is your head. This is your brain. That's you, man. And here's what's happening. Everything that you've witnessed or endured in your life imprints you. Okay? It imprints you. And it puts imprints on your soul, on your unconscious and subconscious being. Sometimes people don't even realize what's happening. Sometimes you were so young you didn't even know that this happened to you. And you've been being run by it your whole life. Everything that's ever happened to you is still there. And it will be there. And you have access to it through meditation. Absolutely, positively, one of the best tools I've ever learned on my development journey. And I still to this day meditate every morning. I have for years. I don't even know how long. I will not miss my meditation. I will not. That's what I want you to get to, man. I want you to be able to get on that plane of awareness and complete bliss of just being comfortable in your own skin and listening and being honest and knowing that your higher self is also being honest to you. See, when I first started meditation, man, everything that was in my head, I did not believe. I would try to meditate and things would pop up and I'd be like, that's not true. That's not true. I'm nuts. I'm freaking crazy. That can't be in my head. You cannot have that mistrust with yourself. The more you meditate and become aware of all these little things that were just ruling your life on an energetic frequency, on an energy level, they're just ruling you. Then you see them. You see them and you're aware. Then the clearing can happen. The blocks can be taken away. Okay? I made this analogy in one of my last videos. It's like walking through the jungle, man. Your machete is meditation. That is the meditation. And with that machete, you're like hacking away. You're hacking away at all the bushes and the trees and the crazy vines that are in your way. That is what meditation does. It allows you to clear the path so that you have a clear view of what you're doing, where to go. If there is a big log in your way and you cannot hit it with the meditation, you know exactly how to pick it up and move it aside and go forth. That's what meditation does for you, man. It is the greatest tool. If you take anything away from my channel, listen to my videos, man. I say this in almost every video. You have to meditate. On your development journey, just fucking start. Just start, man. If you have trouble doing anything in life, meditate. If you don't want to work out, if you don't want to eat healthy, if you don't want to do that shit, don't start there. Start with meditation. Because all you have to do is sit the fuck down, close your eyes, and breathe. And as you breathe, things will pop up, man. Especially in the beginning. Things will just bubble up. Here's the trick. Here's how you actually let go of these blocks and clear your way. Allow them to bubble up. Don't let them bubble up and then be like, no, it's too much. No. You fear nothing. Be calm. Breathe. And allow them to bubble up. Feel them fully. The more you allow them to be, they will go away. Because your crown chakra, right here, that is its purpose. That is what it's meant to do, is to let go. There's no better way to start your life on the right direction than to meditate. I have taught people how to do this in their 60s and 70s and people who were in their teens, because you just don't know until you take the time for you on your path and your journey. You be honest with yourself. Let go. Just let go. And that is how you do it. And as you get more advanced, you can focus on your other chakras, okay? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you get more advanced and the tool of meditation becomes, you hone it in, you sharpen that tool just a little bit more, you can actually focus on, say, your sacral chakra, where you harness your energy from semen retention. You can focus on it. And where you place your energy, you also place your awareness. And then through this awareness, things will bubble up. Just like I said, things will bubble up. And then you allow them to be extremely important. There's no controlling, there's no manipulating any of this. You allow them to be, and you allow them to bubble up and be released. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's that easy. Try it. It takes time. It takes time, man. You must be patient. You must be patient and consistent. So if that sounds like something you want to learn about, if you need to cultivate your masculine energy, click the link in the description, man, and check out the workshop I created for you. It'll do you right, man. Like the video, share it with somebody who actually needs this, who can benefit from this information. Collaborate with somebody. Give somebody this as a gift. I'll see you in the next one, my friend.